What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Cameron Mai here, and as you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be putting together my vanity mirror. So this is going to be a super budget friendly video. This is something you can do if you are living in an apartment like myself, or if you just don't want to be spending a lot of money on like Hollywood vanity mirrors or any of those other expensive vanity mirrors. If you guys would like to see how I put my vanity mirror together, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the post notification bell. So I ordered the lights from Amazon, and I also ordered the mirror from Amazon. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. And I did already sanitize the package before bringing it all the way in here. And this is just what it looks like. Pull it out. This, and Zaza always has to examine everything. The vanity ring light bulbs were $22.94, and I actually were eyeing them for a while now. At first they were $28.99, and I literally saw that the price went down, so I got them ASAP. So there's that. The mirror is a 30-inch mirror. All of the 30-inch mirrors that I've seen on Amazon were about $100 and $150 and up. So I found this one. This was literally a quick steal. This was $85, you guys. So I grabbed the vanity mirror in gold. So Zaza wants to be a part of the video, so let's just pull everything out. And it comes with the styrofoam around it, around the bulbs. It has the instructions in the back of the box. Sorry, Zaza. Oh, and it also comes with 2 extra little stickies in case your stickies on the back of the bulb gets messed up. So here is what it looks like, you guys. Here. Let's go ahead and plug it up so we can test it out. And here it is. So cute, so cute. It's actually brighter than I thought. Really simple. It has the on and off button right here. So love that. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out of the box. It comes wrapped up in this styrofoam. Okay, guys, here is the mirror. It's actually bigger than I thought. That's not bad. And it's pretty heavy. It's heavy. I was really like nervous when purchasing this, you guys. Okay, hold on. Okay, you guys, so let me just show you guys what it looks like up close, so you guys can see. It comes, I don't know, it has like a little indentations or whatnot, but I figured, you know, that'll be a thing for the price. It's not anything like bad or rough or rugged. And here is the back. It do give you one little hook to put the mirror on. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and add the lights before we hang the mirror. So where? Ooh, okay. That, so excited. Also, it did come with some screw-ins. Probably won't be using them though. Pop them right out. I don't know, I was scared to pop them out, like I might accidentally break one, so just be careful. Now, okay, let's figure out how to, let's get them untangled. We want to make sure it is clean. just wipe your mirror, especially around the sides where you're going to be putting the light bulbs. You want to look to see how many you have. So this one has to be at the bottom because that is where the plug is. So I'm going to start off with this one, and I'm not going to measure it or anything. I'm just going to kind of put them on there. No, I don't like this string showing. So the string is really long, kind of in the middle of them. So you want to, if you get this particular mirror, you definitely want to wrap it around a little first and then kind of hook it to the back of these little things that are in the back, because I don't think it looks cute if you have the string showing. So yeah, I would just do it like that. Okay. So let's just keep going. Uh-oh. And so once you kind of get majority of them on, you can kind of just start lining them up across from it, if that makes any sense. Okay, so I have two more, and they kind of overlap. So I guess I am gonna try to bring them a wee bit closer since they do overlap. And they are easy to take off, in case you guys are wondering, and it isn't staining or ruining the mirror. Now I have them all on. I'm just gonna hide the strings and kind of like just add them in the back like so. I'm gonna take this is just some gardening string that I have, and I use this for my garden. I'm taking this because I don't have anything else that'll keep these strings back. I'm just turning it around so you guys can see what I'm doing. So here's what it looks like in the back. It's like literally nothing too pretty or anything, but I would suggest if you have tape them in the back. But here is just what it looks like in the front. I'm gonna hide these parts of the string a little bit, of the cords a little bit better. Stick this in there. So basically bring them around like this. Yeah, kind of like bring them together like that. I am going to just double check where I want to put this one more time. Measure it. I didn't know my camera was down, but I did measure it, and I do have a nail in the wall already. So now let me go ahead and put the cord in the back. Okay, so that is what it looks like, you guys. Ooh, ooh. I love it. The cords don't really bother me too much. But if you're somebody that's like really picky, the cords might bother you. And also, I don't think that the light bulbs are too scattered and too uneven. I think they kind of really blend in really well. So let me go ahead and clean off my vanity. This was a really fun DIY. I don't necessarily care for DIYs, but I do like the DIYs that are really easy, really quick, and really fun. So the lights I ordered on Amazon for $22. The price was originally $28, but I got a discount on it once that I saw that the price dropped. In the mirror, I've seen plenty of mirrors like this on Amazon, but they're normally priced at $150, $165, which I do have in my cart. This mirror, however, costed $85, so I thought that was a steal. It was $85 or $87, so I thought that was a steal. The mirror is actually really heavy, really sturdy. I love the way that it looks. I love the way that it makes my vanity looks. It looks really nice. And like I told you guys, I am trying to add pops of gold within my room. So I just love how this makes my vanity look. Also love that this is a simple turn on and off button right here. I love that. I also love that the cord, let me turn it back on. I think that the cord is nice and long. Excuse that, you guys. I'm going to finish that part of the wallpaper, but I think everything looks really nice. You guys comment down below and let me know if you like videos like this. I would love to do more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the post notification bell so you can be a part of the gang.